Little cowboy, what have you heard? Up on the lonely rock's green mound, only the plaintive yellow bird, sighing in sultry fields around. Carry, cherry, cherry, chee, only the grasshopper and the bee, tip-tap, rip-rap, tick-a-tack-too, scarlet leather sewn together, this will make a shoe. Left, right, pull it tight, summer days are warm. Underground in winter, laughing at the storm. Lay your ear close to the hill, do you not catch the tiny clamor? Busy click of an elfin hammer, voice of a leprechaun singing shrill. As he merrily plies his trade, he's a span and a quarterer in height. Get him in sight, hold him tight, and you're a made man. You watch your cattle the summer day, sup on potatoes, sleep in the hay. How would you like to roll in your carriage, look for a duchess's daughter in marriage? Seize the shoemaker, then you may, big boots, a hunting sandals in the hall. White for a wedding feast, pink for a ball. This way, that way, so we make a shoe. Getting rich, every stitch, tic-tac-toe. 99 treasure crocks, his keen eyes a fairy hat. Hidden mountains, woods and rocks, ruin and round tower, cave and rocks. And where the cormorants built from times of old, guarded by him, each of them filled full to the brim with gold. I caught him at work one day myself, in the castle ditch where foxglove grows. A wrinkled, wizened and bearded elf, spectacles stuck on his pointed nose, silver buckles to his hose, leather apron, shoe in his lap, rip-rap, tic-tac, tic-tac-too. A grasshopper on my cap, away the moth flew. Buskins for a fairy prince, rose for his son. Pay me well when the job is done. The robe was mine beyond a doubt. I stared at him, he stared at me. Servant, sir, says he, and pulled a snuff box out. He took a long pinch, looked better pleased. The queer little leprechaun offered the box with a whimsical grace. Poof, he flung the dust in my face, and while I sneezed was gone.